I'm talking about compliance, specifically worker misclassification. Misclassifying contractors as employees or vice versa is a costly error that up to a third of employers make every year. Misclassification means that millions of people miss out on important benefits from being an employee. It also results in the loss of over $8 billion in tax revenue to the IRS every single year. For your company, it can mean back wages, penalties, and reputational damage, things you don't want. Here's a quick checklist to keep you out of hot water. First, follow the economic reality test. There are all sorts of ways to determine whether a contractor should actually be an employee or if an employee could be a contractor, but the concept of the economic reality test is this. If the employee is getting their primary income from you and no one else, then they should be classified as an employee. On the other side of the coin, a contractor is someone who has multiple clients, not just you, and their sources of revenue are many. This concept is called the totality of circumstances. Google it. Something you should always keep in mind is if you do bring on someone as a contract employee, have an airtight agreement in place. What they're responsible for, what they're being paid, how they're being paid, how and if the agreement can be terminated early so that you are not in a situation of being locked in with a contractor that you do not want to be. You have to regularly audit your roles. As your company grows, someone who's been working with you as a contractor could actually become an employee, and you, through the velocity and speed of the work that you're doing, could have missed that. That's why you have to pay special attention to this. Want to know more about compliance? I'm sure you do. Click the link in the description and look at my long form video all about compliance. You'll be glad you did.